Hey guys, we're back and this time we're here with another recipe. This is a Bengali recipe called Pranhala or Kacha Golla. It's very delicious and sweet and very easy to make with three simple basic ingredients. So let's get started. So we will need paneer. If you want to know how to make homemade paneer, we've got a video on that. We'll link it in the description. 1 cup of condensed milk. If you want to know how to make homemade condensed milk, let us know in the comment section, so we'll do a video on that. 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and that's it for the ingredients. So let's begin on how to prepare this. So we're just going to mix half of our paneer that we have with our 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Leave the other half aside for later. Put your paneer into a pot and you're going to start heating it up and stirring it around. Then you're going to add in your condensed milk and let that mix in with your paneer. Make sure to leave the mixture to cool down completely. Once completely cooled down, mixed with the other half of the paneer so you can get a nice wonderful texture when you bite into the pranhala. Once your mixture completely cooled down, make sure it completely cooled down before doing this, or else it won't stick together. Make your pranhalas into miniature balls. Don't make them too big. And then roll them in some mawa, if you wish. We're just doing it to add a bit of crunch and a bit of extra nice texture. If you want to know how to make homemade mawa or khoya, we have that video linked in the description for you. So here we have our delicious, amazing pranhala, or you may call it Kacha Golla. It's a Bengali sweet that is absolutely lovely to make, very easy, just 3 basic ingredients, and it makes a nice, sweet, delicious snack. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.